Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera and salam UITM di hatiku. Today, our group will present to you our first project for ACC407, Fundamental of Financial Accounting and Reporting. For your information, this project are prepared for our beloved lecturer, Madam Azmira Abdullah. This presentation we go through on our team, background company, business characteristics, classification of item in business, recording process, and lastly, strength and weakness. First, I will introduce my team for this project. First of all is me. My name is Izzatie Zahiera binti Mama Asli. Second, NURDIYANA binti MIOR ASRI. Third, AINA MAISARAH binti RAMLI. And lastly is AINA SAFFIYAH binti AZHAR. Next, we are going to background company. As mentioned on the top, we are choosing a company named Superpark Malaysia. Superpark Malaysia are established in Finland, where one day the founder of the Superpark took his son to the playground and got inspired from it to set up an indoor playground. These indoor playgrounds are all in one indoor activities park with 3 theme areas that offer over than 20 fun, healthy and energizing activities for all age. Superpark Malaysia has been established since 2018 until now. Taneli Sutinen are the founder of Superpark from Finland. Superpark Malaysia are located at Unit 41 Level 4 Avenue K Shopping Mall 156 Jalan Ampang, Kuala Lumpur. They have a lot of branches around the world, which is Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong and European countries such as Sweden. The total number of staff in Superpark Malaysia are on average 40 to 50 people. They are using TikTok, Instagram and also Facebook to promote their entertainment. And in addition, they also have been appeared on TV3 to promote their playground indoor. Next, from the picture, you can see on Superpark Malaysia, they have 3 areas, which is adventure area, game arena and freestyle hall. For adventure area, some activities that you can enjoy are flying fox, tube slide, pedal car track and so on. Next, on game arena, you all can enjoy baseball, super beanball, super bowling, street basketball and many more. Lastly, on freestyle hall, you all can enjoy the activities such as trampoline platform, eye wall, gymnastic area, clip and climb and many more. Okay, so that's all for background company. I'll pass to NURDIYANA to present business characteristics.
Let's move to the business characteristic of the company. There are 5 characteristics, which are partnership, profit or loss, consumer satisfaction, capital and lastly, legal and lawful. Firstly is partnership. Superpark Malaysia is a partnership business to manage and control the business, which is the partnership itself means a formal arrangement by 2 or more parties to manage and operate a business and share its profits. Taneli Sutinen, who is the founder of Superpark Malaysia, and his partner is accountable for this company. Next, for profit or loss, Superpark Malaysia's profits and losses are entirely under the responsibility of the branch company itself. For instance, Superpark Malaysia will incur profits and losses only in Malaysia, not in other country branches. Next, consumer satisfactions. Feedback from customer is usually given through the website, Klook, or in person with customer service. Next, capital. What is capital? Capital is the money that a business owner uses to run and succeed in business. It is also similar to owner's equity. In this case, the capital is contributed by the Superpark as the owner of the company. Next, legal and lawful. Superpark Malaysia applies SSM certificates that are compulsory to provide by all the businesses in Malaysia. So that's all for business characteristics. I will pass to AINA SAFFIYAH to present the classification of the item in the business.
For the next slide, I will be explaining about the classification of item in business. Firstly, for non-current assets, the items in the business are payment terminal, computer equipment, premises, license and permit, sports equipment, projector, safety equipment, forklift, office furniture, ticket scanner and customer list. Next is current assets. The item in the business are bank, account receivable, and inventory such as stock equipment. Non-current liability, the superpark company doesn't reveal the items because of company policies. For current liability, the item is tax. For owner's equity, there is only one item in the business, that is capital. Next one, for the revenue, there are 3 items in the business, that are event rent, sponsorship and ticket sales. Lastly, for the expenses items in the business are utilities, insurance, salary, tax, maintenance and repair. So that's all for the classification of item in business. I will pass to AINA MAISARAH to present recording process.
Next, I will further explain more for the recording process of the company, where according to the Program Executive of Superpark Malaysia, they're using a special system from the origin country, which is Finland, to record all the transaction, sales, revenues and expenses. Here are the recording process of their company, since the company decided to conceal the actual information and considered as a PNC. General process of the recording that include in the accounting cycle begins with the source of the documents, journals, ledgers, trial balance, adjustment of trial balance, and financial statements. For the next slide, system recording for this company are also using the system from Finland. Diagram below are the process. As I stated before, the company decided to conceal actual information and consider it as PNC. The process started by recording transaction by the system, then followed by keeping the receipt data, calculate daily sales, inform daily sales to the manager, calculate daily profits, and lastly is record all the activities. Next, the company's strength include 3 things. Firstly is the system progress went smoothly, as said by Mr. Bazilin, the Program Executive of Superpark Malaysia. The company business progress had none huge obstacles so far, thus it went smoothly. Second is that the system act as a legal for every transaction that has been documented, since each transaction automatically record in their system. Thirdly is creative problem solving. Mr. Bazilin and team set checklists every day to monitor their maintenance if there is any problem. If it is a major problem, they will refer back to the Finland and give their suggestion. If it is minor, the team will take care of it. For the company weakness, only include 2 things. Firstly, the system maintenance for the company is quite a hassle, as the Malaysian team have limited access situation and must refer everything back to the Finland for any detailed solution. Secondly, the third-party ticket problem arises since their data problem happen if the data collide with a third party, like Klook, their system based in Finland. So that's all for the recording process, strength and weakness. I'll pass back to Izzatie for closing.
That's all from us. Thank you for your attention and time. We hope you enjoy the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam UiTM di hatiku.